Ollie here from Melbourne, and Surf is up, dude.
Hello you guys, welcome to FreeTechTV. Today we have another unboxing video for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at the Neewer LED video and photography light here. You can find this on Amazon for roughly about $55, not including the stand as well as the adapter that you're also going to need to go along with this light. All in all, it's going to cost you right around $80. So we're going to go ahead and open the box, see what's inside, and see how this light performs.
There's another box inside this box.
So this is the tripod for the light. Initially, does it feel pretty sturdy, pretty solid?
Feels alright, it's a little too tight. Gotta loosen that up. Good slide there, nice finish, pretty grippy. Automatic pop up, nice.
Alright, now let's get into the light itself. Here we go, Neewer 14-inch circular LED video light.
Oh, nice traveling case with that.
If you're going to be making any videos indoors, this is really going to step your lighting game to the next level. Make everything look much brighter, much clearer.
Let's go ahead and get it set up.
And here we got it all set up, and you can see that this light is super bright. Put the camera in the middle there so you can see how it looks if you're vlogging. On the back here you can control
Manual dim.
nice, easy. The light itself is pretty lightweight. And you can see with this lighting how well all the colors look, from the shirts, the skin tone, the walls, everything makes really a big difference. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This has been FreeTechTV taking a first look at the Neewer LED video light. Make sure to like this video, subscribe. More tech videos coming every week. Thanks for watching.
Smash that subscribe button and tell Unbox Therapy we're coming for them.